logging into your account and the portal. First, you would receive an email with the subject line, activate your account, DB Digital. Go ahead and click on here, click here to log in. That will bring you to this screen. What you need to do is the email will be automatically added in there. Then next we need to go and create a password. So enter a password here and then copy it in to confirm your password. Then go ahead and click on change password. Then you will see a password set successfully notification. Continue to log in. Then this is the main login page for the portal. So I do recommend that you save this to your bookmarks or to your favorites. Your email will automatically populate there. So remember the URL as well, and then just enter your password. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and then enter your email address over here. Click Reset Password. You'll receive an email with a subject line Reset Password. Click on the blue button Reset Password. Continue to sign in. I will do email. Go ahead and enter the code. Understanding your home screen, top right, you'll be able to see your name and your initials. If you haven't uploaded a profile image, if you've uploaded a profile image, you'll see your image over there. I have a premium account, so I have access to help. If you want instant help via Zoom or via chat to me to upgrade your account. Top left, we have the name of the business. Next, the two most important options in the main menu, contacts and opportunities. As far as the home screen goes, the other main important button we want to know about is the settings button over here on the bottom left. And this opens up a whole new menu, which is more direct. And this opens up certain sections and functions for the menus on the main home screen. Let's talk about the contacts section. This is where you'll be able to see all of your customers. If you want to know what all of these icons are over here, just hover over it. The main ones that we need to know about is how to add a contact over here. The other main button we want to know about is how to import contacts. And then on the right hand side, we have our filters section as well. The main one that we will be using is the plus icon over here. If you click this icon, this is where you'll be able to add a contact. The opportunities section, first thing that we will notice is that we are in what we call a sales pipeline. You can add multiple pipelines if you'd like. Just to note the pipeline headings, these are different stages that a particular lead or customer can be in. So for example, this first one here is a brand new lead. They've come into this pipeline over here. They need immediate action, meaning that you might want to call them or you might want to reach out to them just to see where they are and how you can help them. Once you understand what their need is, then you can move them to another stage. These are the stages over here. We can also edit what these stages look like, and we can also edit how many stages you have in your pipeline. If we want to move a contact or a customer from one stage to another, it's really simple. All we need to do is just click and drag them to the next stage. How do we edit or update a contact? Say, for example, we have contacted Jimmy over here. All we need to do is just to click on him. And this opens up the contacts edit panel. And in this edit panel, we can do multiple things. First, we can select contacts over here. We can edit their primary email. We can add in their phone number. Further down here, we can edit the pipeline. So we can change the stage that they're in from here. So we can move them to another stage, similar to the drag and drop option. We can change their status from open to lost, won, or abandoned. Very important is that we can update the value of this opportunity. That will then reflect on your dashboard. The other important one is that we want to include where they came from. Was this a telephone call? Was this from an ad? Was this from the website contact form? We want to maybe include that it's possibly somebody that walked into the business if you have a brick and mortar business. Once you have finished, you can just press update. How do we add a new lead or a new customer into our opportunities and our pipelines? First, we create the contact, and then we can add that contact in here by pressing add opportunity. Then we'll be able to select the contact from here that we've just added into the contact section. Next, let's talk about tasks. So we'll go to contacts and we'll click on tasks over here. If you have more than one sales representative, you can toggle between the representatives over here. This screen is allowing any assignee or any representative, and we're showing all of their tasks. Status, we can toggle between all tasks. We can toggle to completed tasks only, or we can toggle to pending tasks only. If you want to see what is due today, if you want to have a quick view of what is overdue, you can click on overdue, and the same with upcoming. Different colors as far as a due date over here goes. Orange means that it is due within a day. Red means that it is overdue, and gray means that it is pending for a couple of days or further into the future. To mark a task as completed, all we need to do is click on this check mark over here, and you can see it says mark as complete. To make it pending again, you'll just click it again. To manually add a task, we click on the blue button, add task, fill in the title, fill in a description. You can also remove the description if you only want a title. Allocate the contact, who this is for, and assign it to a user that is part of the account. Then press save. And then we can see that the new task has been added.